The Page Cache Ultimate module drastically reduces your store's response time, also known as TTFB. The result? A higher page speed score, and above all, a much faster browsing experience for your visitors. Thanks to an exclusive caching system found nowhere else, TTFB is reduced by up to 90%. This static cache completely bypasses the PrestaShop engine, delivering unmatched performance. And don't worry, despite its advanced technology, configuration is extremely simple. With over 10 years of continuous improvement, the module auto-configures itself intelligently, and we're always here to assist if needed. Once installed, you can instantly measure the impact of the cache thanks to the built-in statistics. They come directly from your visitors' browsers, the same data used by PageSpeed Insights. Whenever you modify your catalog, products, categories, prices, promotions, stock, the cache updates automatically and intelligently by analyzing internal links. And if you change your theme, you can clear the cache selectively without resetting everything. Optionally, you can subscribe to our JPresta Cache Warmer service, which pre-generates the cache for all your pages, so no visitor ever lands on an uncached page, ensuring maximum speed at all times. And if you want even more performance, this module is included in Speed Pack, our all-in-one solution that brings together 4 essential modules. Page Cache Ultimate reduces response times by up to 90% thanks to ultra-fast static caching. AVIF and WebP compression speeds up image loading with up to 90% file size reduction and no visual quality loss. SQL Profiler detects slowdowns with great precision on the store and the back office, even in production with zero impact on visitors. Dr. Pro performs over 500 inches, depth checks, and automatically repairs your shop to keep it stable, clean, and fast. Everything is developed in France with fast and reliable support. So don't wait. Boost your PrestaShop store today with JPresta.